My name is Stella Metsovas, and today we're going to talk about how to properly steep tea bags. That was a mouthful. Properly steep tea bags. Okay, I got it. So simple to do. Tea is a healthy beverage of choice and enjoyed amongst cultures all around the world. It's healthy because of two reasons. Number one, you have all these amazing polyphenols, which are essentially antioxidants that help with free radicals in the body. But the second most important factor is that tea is usually enjoyed as a social beverage. So take a moment, if you can, each day and enjoy that time to relax socially, with or without your friend or someone to converse with. It could be just you on your own enjoying this beautiful tea. My favorite way to steep tea bags is by getting loose tea, taking a tablespoon or two. I enjoy two because I like my tea strong. Be careful of how hot your water is. You don't want to subject green tea to too high of temperatures or even white tea. So make sure you read the manufacturer's label. Now, once you get the 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon, put it in a unbleached tea bag that you can buy pretty much anywhere. And you're going to want to heat up that water, put it into the cup with the tea bag, and gently seep the tea in there for at least a minute or two. You can remove the tea bag or keep it in. I like to keep my tea bag in because, again, I like strong tea. My name is Stella Metsovas, and today I showed you how to properly steep tea bags. Keep healthy.